Hi guys, this is Jenny Bond. I'm going to be showing you guys my January Boxycharm box. Subscribe to Boxycharm last year. So it's about $21, but you would get $100, more than $100 worth of makeup products inside. So it's a pretty good deal. So inside, I got these two cards. It says Rock 2018. So aside from receiving your monthly subscription box, you could also join their monthly giveaway and you could win an exclusive Boxycharm box worth over $400. First product that I'll be showing you guys that I received is Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer. This worth $38. The consistency of this, so I'm gonna just squeeze a little. Okay, so that is, it has a bit of color. It's kind of beigey. It's beige, and once you put it on, it's very creamy. It's not that creamy. Well, it's very blendable, as you can see, and it matches your skin tone so well. And it smells good. The product is the It Cosmetic Brow Power. So I already used this in my eyebrow. So this shade is called Brow Power Universal Eyebrow Pencil. It is $24, and they said this color is universal. So if your hair is blonde, if your hair is dark or black, right, like me, you could use it anyways. But if your hair is lighter, I recommend just putting this lightly and then just keep on blending it using this one to not make it dark shade on you. But if your hair is black like me, then you can do whatever you want and just keep on applying it. It doesn't matter. So it comes with this right here, so that is what it is, and this is amazing. Actually, I'm thinking of purchasing this one again if I run out, because I've been trying multiple brow pencil out there, but this one is really nice for some reason. It doesn't smudge, so perfect. Next one is this Crown palette, the eyeshadow palette. It's called Glam Metal. It has 9 different shades on it. It has 9 different shades, and I actually tried 3 shades already. It's called the Wild Thing, Glam Rock, and the Wicked. So as you can see on my eyes right here, I put this on. So for my crease, I tried the Wild Thing. And for my mid-tone, mid-lid, I tried the Glam Rock. It's golden bronze color. And for my outer V, I tried the Wicked. It's really dark brown. So all these are metallic. And it looks really nice on me. It's very high pigmented. It's super pigmented, and it's very handy as well. It's not that big palette. You could put this in your purse right away and you're ready to go. I would recommend this to party goers out there. This is not actually your go-to everyday eyeshadow palette, as this is, it's not neutral. The colors are not neutral, but still, I'm loving the palette because it's very high pigmented. Next product is the Pearl Bronze and Brightener. So this is Bronze and Brighten Cheek Palette. So it comes with 3 colors. I'll show you right here. Ta-da! Okay, so this is the bronzer, this is the highlighter, and this is the cheek blush. So this Blush and Glow for my contour, and it gives me this tan glowing bronze look, which I love. And for my highlighter, I use this Afterglow As you can see, you could literally see the highlighter. It's so pigmented. And then the Mineral Glow Cheek Blush that I use on top of my cheekbone. This is the trio that I currently obsessed with. I really love this. It's so handy and it looks good on my skin tone. And the last thing I'm gonna show you guys is this Girlactik matte lip paint. This is $23 and it is very lightweight, long wearing, and non-cracking. So the color is like rose red. It's so nice on my lips, as you can see. My lips literally looks like natural, and it dried so fast, and I don't have a problem putting this on because it blends so well and it's so nice. Honestly, in my opinion, this is better than the Anastasia liquid lipstick that I've tried and I've purchased before. I think this one, the consistency and then the consistency of it is much better than the other liquid lipstick like Anastasia and like ColourPop. So Girlactik, this is my new favorite lip paint now. This month Boxycharm box, I got all of this and it cost about $100+ and I got everything for only $21. So it's very good deal and I'm so happy with all of the products I got for this month. So hope you guys like it. Comment down below if you also received your Boxycharm subscription box for this month and let me know which one is your favorite and your least favorite.